I got a can of these flaky biscuits right here. And I went ahead and lined them here in the pan. And then we're gonna go ahead and smash them and kind of lay them out just like this. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect, we kind of just want to get those lined up there. Now I've got 1 can of tomato sauce. We're gonna go ahead and just pour all this on like that. So easy, y'all. This is so easy and budget friendly. Now, next what we're gonna do is I've got some olive oil. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil right on top. Okay, if you don't have olive oil, you could use any kind of oil, but I really highly recommend the olive oil because it tastes so good. All right, so on top of that, we're gonna add some garlic powder, just like this. We're just gonna do a light layer right across that tomato sauce. And then, of course, we're gonna be using some of my favorite Italian herb seasoning grinder. And we're gonna go ahead and do that all the way. Y'all, this is so easy to make. I'm telling you, we're gonna put this together in less than 5 minutes, y'all, okay? Okay, now, the next thing that we're gonna do is I've got some canned chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken if you have it, or you can use the other canned chicken that comes, like you can buy a canned chicken. This is my homemade canned chicken. All right, so let me go ahead and get this opened up. Woo, yeah, that's a nice good pop, which is what you're looking for. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add some canned chicken right on top of that sauce that we did, okay? Now I'm gonna do kind of 2 different versions of this because we have some that prefer chicken and some that prefer another meat here. So on the other half of this casserole, we're gonna do some turkey sausage crumbles. Y'all, these are so good. Have you ever had these? I'm telling you, they are a staple in my refrigerator now. All right, so we're gonna add some of this on top. Okay, oh my gosh, I am so excited about this right here. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is get you some mozzarella cheese. Now, I'm looking at this thinking this is definitely not gonna be enough, okay? So we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese and you layer that as much as you want on there. Okay, I'm gonna grab some more here. We definitely need a little bit more. So, oh yeah, look at that. Looking delish. Delish. Okay, now I've got some fresh basil. Let's smell that. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna layer just some whole fresh basil right on top here. Like this, look how pretty this is looking. This is gonna make it taste so delicious. Now, if you don't have fresh basil, just go ahead and use some of that dried basil, okay, y'all? That'll be just fine. All right, oop, found one more here. Okay, now next thing we're gonna do is we've got these pepperonis. Look how nice these are. I got these in the deli area and I had him slice those really thin. We're gonna just layer that right on top of that basil. You can add as much or as little as you want. Okay, just like that. Easy peasy, y'all. All right, we're gonna cover all that up. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of our Italian herb seasoning, okay? We're gonna put this in the oven at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Y'all, it smells amazing in here. I just pulled it out. It is hot tamales in here. Just kidding. Okay, let's go ahead and taste this. Now remember, we have one side we have chicken, one side we have those turkey little sausages in it, and we've got, oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go for the turkey. Oh yeah, we got biscuits underneath all of this and those large pepperonis. Y'all, oh my gosh, I can't even think. I'm excited. Ooh, cheesy. Look how good that looks. Wow. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I'm excited. All right, so let's go ahead and cut it. Woo, look at that. This is gonna be a huge bite. See if I can do it. You guys have to try this. It's delicious, and I know if you've got kids that are picky, they are gonna love this too. Those biscuits in there are so flaky. Then you have that layer of the tomato sauce, and then you could put any kind of meat you want in there. You could add vegetables if you wanted to, mushrooms, you could do ham. There's so many different combinations you could do with this, y'all. It is delicious, and I hope you guys try it.